Hello, welcome back to my channel. And surprise, surprise, we're doing a Shien, either Shien or Shien, whatever you want to call it, Shien haul, Haul. Okay, I have to spell it out because my pronunciation, my accent, it's all weird. But yeah, so today we're gonna do a Shien haul. So if it is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tamika, and on this channel I do YouTube advice videos as well as motherhood videos. We just have a lot of fun over here, so hit that subscribe button and join the family. Okay, so we are going to show you what. So first and foremost, I bought this was supposed to be Shamoya's Christmas gift. Okay, I ordered these things from November 2020. I almost said 2019. November of 2020, and they just got here yesterday, which is January 12th. Can you fathom? Think about it. November to January. Yes, so she's super excited. Well, I'm super excited too. She's been waiting for a long time. She's been waiting for a long time, and they just got here, so now she's just like all over it. So I'm gonna show you what she got, and then she's gonna put them on, and we'll see what happens and see if you like them. I'm gonna try to link to them. If I can find links, I will. If not, you can search on the website for yourself. But let's get into the video. So these are the jewelry that she got. This is, let me open it. This is an earring. So one is a star and one look like a planet. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, it's cute. So, and be mindful, she chose everything herself. I had nothing to do with these. I don't think some of them are age appropriate. Not the jewelry, but the clothes. This, she says, is from anime. If you're into anime, then you know, but I don't know. So she said I wouldn't understand, and that's okay. So this is from an anime character or anime movie, I guess. But yeah, these are some rings. She said she has a lot of silver ring, but no gold. She don't have any gold, so she bought these. I like this one, simple. I don't know, I like simple a lot. And then this one, I like this one too. This is an earring. This is, I'm gonna insert a picture because probably you're not gonna understand what it is just by looking at it, but this is a very cute earring. So I'll insert a picture of her in it, or a picture of a model wearing it, something, but you'll see what it is. And then she got these glasses, super cute. And check out the case that they send it in. It's a nice leather case. I like the fact that even though it's a fashion glasses, they actually send a case instead of just letting you have the glasses and no case, because most people don't have anywhere to store their glasses, so that's cute. These she got for her friend for Christmas gift, which Christmas is gone, but as I say, this package was super late, so it doesn't matter, she know. So her friend starts with a K, so she got this brooch for her, and we just put them in some nice gift boxes. And this is also a brooch, but this is the color brooch. And then you have this bracelet with a K again, so that's the beginning of her name, so just basic, but it's cute. She also got this free pouch from Shien. I think this is just I think she can use it for makeup, which I think is perfect for makeup because she's getting into my makeup, so I think it's time we get her own. She's always in my makeup. She's not allowed to wear it out, but I do allow her to experiment with it, so you know, she'll get better whenever it's time for her to go out. She don't look crazy. So she's always in my makeup, so I think I might fill this up with her own makeup for her. To be honest, This is, I think, all the shoes. She bought 3 pairs of shoes, and I think these were literally her best buy. I swear to God, I love, love, love these. So you have this one, and this is not really high, but these are super cute on her. You'll see in a minute. And I honestly believe a pair of white sneakers is staple in your closet, and these are epic. I love them. Like, when I saw them, I'm like, girl, you can shop. Because to be honest, I did not look through the stuff that she bought online. All I did was pay for it, I swear to God. But I know that whatever came that I did not like, I'll just send it back. So I didn't bother to look through it, and it was too much for me to look through, honestly. So I just paid for it because she said she wanted it, and I think she has enough sense to know what's appropriate and what's inappropriate and what I would accept and not accept. So I just let her do her thing. These shoes are everything. I love them. I really do. They're cute on too. So these are some over the knee boots, but the top part is like stocking. These are like perfect for the winter, and they're super cute. And she says it's a little bit, my daughter has wide foot or wide feet, so the front part, she says, is a little bit uncomfortable for her, but other than that, it's super cute and it fits. So these are so nice. So she says she's gonna wear these with some short dress. I think they're gonna be nice with jeans too, personally, but it's whatever she wanna do. So yeah, those are cute, aren't they? Okay, so this is one of the dress that she bought. She said she did not order this, so I think she ordered one and they did not have it, so they sent this into place. And I really don't think, I like the dress, it is cute, but I don't think it's age appropriate. So this dress she ain't gonna wear anytime soon. I'm contemplating if I should send it back, but yeah, it is super cute, just not age appropriate. So yeah, and then she paired with that shoes, same stocking shoes, which is super cute. In this video, you're gonna hear me mention the word age appropriate a lot, and I know that people, you might have your opinion and saying, oh, it's okay. For those who don't know, my daughter is 14. She's gonna be 14 next month, the beginning of next month, February. So she's gonna be 14. Everybody parenting style is different. Whatever you accept, don't accept with your child, that's fine. But for me, I don't think it is appropriate. I know here in America, most people let their kids wear it and it's okay for them, but for me, it's not. And I accept your parenting style, so just accept and respect mine because I respect yours. That's all I have to say. So let's get to the next dress. This is the next dress, and I love, 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 love it. I love this one a lot. I love the color, I love the plaid. It's perfect. Not really. So this dress is short, very short, too short for me, for my liking. So the plan for this dress is to wear one of those stocking under it, those long, like footed stocking under it, just to make sure that it's more put together, less revealing. And the next thing, the top part, if you realize it's kind of V-cut and the cleavage and all, we ain't ready to be showing cleavage yet. So she's gonna be wearing like a sweater, long sleeve sweater underneath it. And like in the summer, she can wear a tube top that's gonna go like right across there. So that's how we plan on doing it, because of course the dress is nice, we still want her to wear it, but we just have to fix it up, jazz it up so it's more age appropriate. Remember I said you're gonna hear that word a lot? Yeah. So that's the outfit. And this is the next piece. I'm loving it. So this is it's a sweater dress material, and it's just a basic black dress. As I say, the girl can shop. Super cute. Look at that. Look at that. The girl can shop. So this one, the cleavage part is not so bad. This one is not so bad, the extent. So she can wear this one in the summer. y'all. Super cute. Look at those shoes. Didn't I tell you that those shoes are cute? Look at that. Super cute. Oh my God. Those shoes are everything. Everything. And see, she paired with that black dress. And this is another good buy, guys. This is another good buy. So this is another like sweater looking material dress. And this one is very much appropriate. I love it. I love everything about it. And again, she paired with those sneakers. Super cute. This is definitely a nice outfit to wear out on a nice summer day, which is coming up real soon. Well, I hope. We're still in winter, but I'm just looking forward to summer, so whatever. But yeah, that's it right there. And I hear my alarm going off. That's Elijah crying, so he's awake. Okay guys, so here's the next outfit. So she's wearing another basic black top. My daughter is obsessed with black clothes, trust me. But anyways, so she's wearing a black top, and that top, you can wear it both ways. You can wear it just like that, both shoulders off, or you can wear it to the side. I rather that. I rather the off to the side. That is super cute. With the correct bra, she need a all black bra, but whatever. We're just doing a try on all. So I like that. The pants is super, super, super duper cute. And the chain on it bring the pants from 0 to 100. I love the chain that it incorporate on the pants. So, and again, she just paired it with the white sneakers. And this outfit right here is epic. So that's it. And she has another black top that she's gonna try with the same pants. So here goes. Okay, so this is the next top, guys. It's a crop top, but because the pants is high-waisted, so it literally meets the blouse and the pants literally meets. So that's okay. This is super cute. Again, it's just a basic black top and it goes perfect with this pants and the shoes. So that's a nice summer outfit. I think she's summer ready. You see, she knows what she's buying when she's buying. As I said, all I did was pay for it. She picked it out herself, and she did well. She did well. That's a cute top. It's basic, simple black top, but it's super cute. Next outfit, and this is it. So this is a very wide leg pants, and she paired with those white boots that I showed you. So those boots that I showed you before, super cute. And she paired it with this white top, another crop top. But again, because the pants is so high-waisted, they literally meet at the waist, and that's just a basic white crop top. So yep, that's her style. She did it. She bought it. Those pants are cute though. So yes guys, that was the Shien haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Let me know in the comment which piece was your favorite outfit or which piece was your favorite. And remember to share the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join the fam, okay? And I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Take care.